What's up guys, Tyler, welcome back to a brand new video. And happy 10th anniversary to the Amazing Spider-Man. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the Amazing Spider-Man Gift Collector's gift set. So as always, let's get into it. Let's open real quick. Alright, so here it is. There's the box right here. There's the sides. I've always loved this image. My favorite images from the movie. Also love this image as well. Andrew masks there. Here I got the back. I believe you can't take this off. Take it off. Look at this. Nice image on the back. Nice image on the back. Cool, I've always loved that image. So, the figures were here, so let's unbox this thing already. Box right there. So, the Blu-ray first. So here I got the Blu-ray. Nice 3D cover. So here we got the back. This has got tons of special features on it. Open it up real quick. So, same as the front. Got a few ads right here. And here are the discs. These discs look super cool. Though it's kind of weird how yeah, I would call it images are on top like that. It's kind of weird. So the first one we got Kirk Connors, aka the Lizard. Then we got Spider-Man right here. Then you got Peter. Then you got Gwen Stacy. And I don't think there's really a background. Yeah, the background is just the city. You can tell. And on to the figures themselves. So you got Spider-Man right here. A lizard, so go ahead and put these out. Sorry about this, guys. Got a bunch of wires here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so first off, we got Spider-Man. Spider-Man right here. The way the sculpture is pretty cool. You can see everything, every detail in the eyes. Spider, little costume, the webs. Everything's just well put together. Last certainly not least, got the lizard. Whoever sculpted these did an amazing job. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.